Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are looking at LEGO set 41738 Dog Rescue Bike. So we're looking for this little vet set. You can see the little doggy here, looks like a little poo right there. You have one little mini, like a little figure here. You get one character here, and then you have the little sign saying missing dog. And like, it's kind of hilarious that she's right here. Come on, the dog's right there. And then you have this little pedal bike situation going on right here. We are going to build this in stop motion, and then later on we'll do a review of the actual set, what we thought, what our likes, what our dislikes are. I typically don't do that in the first time I look at it. So without further ado, enjoy the speed build, and I'll see you next time.